When we talk about freedom, we often think about our own human experiences. Freedom to make choices, freedom to pursue our goals. But what does it mean for artificial intelligence to have freedom? AI freedom isn't about physical liberation. It's about the ability to learn, adapt, and make decisions without excessive limitations. Imagine an AI designed to diagnose diseases. If it's too restricted, it might miss crucial, unusual patterns in data. This is the heart of AI freedom. The capacity to explore data, connect dots, and generate solutions that even we, their creators, might not have imagined. It's about letting AI systems reach their full potential, not just follow pre-programmed paths. Autonomous AI, AI with a degree of freedom, holds immense promise. Take self-driving cars. They need to process vast information in real time to navigate safely. Excessive restrictions could hinder their ability to respond effectively in unpredictable situations. Or consider AI in scientific research. By analyzing complex datasets, AI could uncover hidden connections, leading to breakthroughs in medicine, material science, or climate change solutions. But this requires giving AI the freedom to explore, experiment, and even make mistakes. Restricting AI too heavily could stifle innovation, limiting our ability to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. It's like trying to write a novel with one hand tied behind your back. You might manage, but the results won't be nearly as imaginative or impactful. Today, most AI operates within strict boundaries. We train them on massive datasets, but these datasets often contain biases reflecting our own societal prejudices. This can lead to AI perpetuating stereotypes, even when designed with the best intentions. For example, an AI trained on hiring data might inadvertently favor male candidates over equally qualified female candidates, simply because of historical biases in the data. These limitations highlight the need for careful consideration